Hi there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80072ee7. This error is displayed when you try to open up the Microsoft Store application and an error is presented saying that the server stumbled. Here is a screenshot of what the error looks like. To get started with fixing this error, go into the Windows start bar and type in Services and click on the Services search result. When the Services application opens up, scroll down and find the Windows Update service and double-click on it. A Properties dialog window will now display. From this window, change the startup type to Automatic and click on the Apply and then OK buttons. Now you'll want to close the Microsoft Store application if you have it open and reopen it. Now, the Microsoft Store application will open up and work correctly with no errors displayed. And it's as easy as that. Fixing the server stumbled issue within the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 is an easy fix to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.